All right, guys, we are doing page 7 of our science booklet today. And we're gonna be talking about the life cycle of a ladybird beetle. So paragraph 1, ladybird beetles have bodies that change greatly as they grow. This is called metamorphosis. I grabbed a couple of favorite colors that I like. Go ahead and grab some different colors. And the first color we're gonna use, and put a box around metamorphosis. Now metamorphosis, we're gonna write change on here to remind us that metamorphosis is where a huge change happens. Just like in the metamorphosis of the life cycle of a butterfly, metamorphosis happens between the chrysalis and the actual adult butterfly, right? The caterpillar creates a chrysalis, and then once it comes out the chrysalis, it's a butterfly. Same thing with the ladybird beetle. In the pupa is when the metamorphosis happens, the big change, and it changes into its last life cycle. So paragraph 2. The ladybird beetle's life cycle begins when an adult ladybird beetle lays tiny eggs. The ladybird beetle usually lays its eggs on the underside of a leaf. The eggs are yellow or orange and shaped like capsules. So we're gonna go ahead and take a different color. Remember, you can use whatever color you like. And we're gonna say, underline, the ladybird's life cycle begins when an adult ladybird beetle lays tiny eggs. And we're gonna put a little tiny 1 right here. And that's to remind us that is the first stage of a ladybird beetle's life. Now let's read paragraph 3. When the egg hatches, we see a larva. The larva is very small when the egg first hatches. A larva usually grows to about 1 centimeter long. A larva usually has black or gray body with yellow, orange, or white bands or spots. It has 6 legs and no wings. So we're gonna underline, different color again. When an egg hatches, we see the larva. And this is actually the second stage of a ladybird beetle's life cycle. And then the other thing I wanna underline, because it's important, is it has 6 legs and no wings. So the larva has no wings. Let's go ahead and box that, no wings. And remember, anything that has 6 legs is considered a insect, right? That's one of the characteristics. All right, go ahead and switch to a different color. I'm gonna do purple. So paragraph 4. After a few weeks, each larva forms a pupa. This is called the resting stage. Inside the pupa, the larva is slowly changing to a ladybird beetle. So with your third color, third color, we're gonna say after a few weeks, ooh, this one's running out. Oops. Each larva forms a pupa. And let's box pupa. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to box the different stages. So I'm gonna put a 3. I'm gonna have to switch to a different color because this one I'm gonna have to throw away. It's not working. Okay, let me try this purple. Oh, I did just use that one. I'm gonna do pink instead. So like I was saying, what I just noticed is we forgot to box the different stages. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. So I'm gonna go back to this paragraph, and we forgot to box larva. And then in this one, we need to box the word eggs. So eggs is first stage, larva is second stage, and then pupa is third stage. Okay, so then like we said, the resting stage happens, and that's another important fact that I wanna highlight. So let's go ahead and take our pink pen or whatever color you picked. And actually, let's do like a circle around resting stage, because that is when the metamorphosis happens, okay? And then paragraph 5, an adult